So to review, this is Emily, 32-year-old nurse, mother of two. She wanted to protect her children. She wanted to have liquidity and the death benefit that comes with the policy. She was able to borrow against the policy to invest in cryptocurrency. She was able to pull $20,000 to put a down payment on a home for her and her daughters. She was able to get money to help with college expenses for her oldest daughter. She was diagnosed with breast cancer, and she was able to borrow over $6,000 a month for 12 months to take a break from work to focus on her health. And now on policy year 34, she is ready to retire. And even after she used her IUL for 4 different life events, it will still generate $46,000 in yearly income, and that's tax-free income on top of other income sources.